Samsung has announced its new phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which continues the development of foldable phones. The phone has been greatly developed in terms of design, becoming lighter and thinner, with the use of improved screens, especially the external screen, which has become larger and wider at 6.5 inches, with a new 200-megapixel primary rear camera and a powerful processor to obtain excellent performance SD8 Elite. Let's get to know the full specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, what are its most important advantages and disadvantages, and whether it is worth buying or not, as follows. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 specifications. The phone supports NFC. It supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. The phone supports 2 nano SIM cards and eSIM. The phone weighs 215 grams. Its dimensions are: when unfolded, the dimensions are 158.4 by 143.2 by 4.2 millimeters. When folded, the dimensions are 158.4 by 72.8 by 8.9 millimeters. The durability and quality of the materials used in the phone's construction are highlighted by the glass on the back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and a scratch-resistant aluminum frame. It is water-resistant with an IP48 rating up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. The inner display is a punch-hole, foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X, with an 8-inch screen, a resolution of 1968 by 2184 pixels, a pixel density of 368 pixels per inch, and supports a variable refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. The screen also supports HDR10+ and reaches a brightness of up to 2600 nits.